Why reproducing bugs matters.
Reproducing a bug reliably is a critical first step in resolving software issues. Without clear reproduction steps, fixing bugs becomes guesswork, wasting valuable time and resources. Following the structured approach ensures that you, your team, and future troubleshooting efforts can consistently observe the same behavior, making debugging more targeted and effective.
Gather detailed bug reports.
Start by collecting as much information as possible about the bug. Note the environment, software versions, input data, user actions, error messages, and timestamps. Screenshots and log files can provide important context. Detailed bug reports help sharpen your focus and prevent missing crucial clues during diagnosis.
Define clear reproduction steps.
Break down the bug into simple, repeatable steps. Begin with a clean slate, restart the app, clear caches, and use default settings if possible. Write out each action needed to trigger the bug. Avoid assumptions. Even small setup details can make the difference between success and missed reproduction.
Control the testing environment.
Replicate the original environment where the bug appeared. Match operating systems, browser versions, hardware, and network conditions as closely as possible. Differences in configuration can affect whether a bug surfaces, so strive for consistency each time you test.
Record and share your process.
Document your reproduction steps and results thoroughly. Note any steps that work inconsistently or only under certain conditions. Share these details with your team through bug trackers or project documentation. Well-documented reproduction processes help others verify, fix, and prevent the issue in the future.
Troubleshoot when bugs won't reproduce.
If a bug doesn't reproduce right away, investigate further. Try varying input data, user roles, or timing. Consider external factors like memory usage or network speed. Collaborate with others who encountered the issue to fill in any missing gaps and continue testing until you're confident in the reproduction steps.